Wow. Hey, Gem, why are you in a bag, you weirdo? Get out of the wood bags. Stupid little cat. Oh, you're so cute, though. So cute. What are you doing in there? There's wood back there. This. Oh yeah, now you're going. Oh yeah, now you're going. Go. No, don't stop straight. Go. Leave me at once.